Guys, we're going to do a quick walk around video on this 66 Jag here. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. If you'd like a shipping quote, you can go ahead and use the contact seller button. We can assist you with that. And if you have a car that you're interested in, 911R representing for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button and we'd be happy to start a conversation. Good luck with the rest of the auction.